My name is Rick Renner, and today I'm giving you a studio tour of the things that are on my shelves in my studio. And today, I want to show you this slag of glass. Look at that. It's deep blue. It's pretty heavy. You say, what in the world is that slag of glass? And why do you have it on your shelves? This is Roman glass from the 1st century. I bought it in the city of Jerusalem. It was from a place where the Romans made cups and saucers and all kinds of vases made out of Roman glass. And this was a slag of glass that they found underneath the place where they made all the glass. There were a few windows made of glass, not many, but here's the problem. This glass had a lot of defects, a lot of imperfections. And even if they were able to make a window pane of this glass, you would not be able to see through it very clearly because of all the imperfections and all the defects. Yes, it was real glass, but through this glass, you couldn't have a very clear view. And the reason it's here is because it reminds me of 1 Corinthians chapter 13, beginning in verse 9, and here's what it says. For we know in part and we prophesy in part, but when that which is perfect is come, it's talking about Jesus, then that which is in part shall be done away. Verse 12, for now we see through glass darkly. It's talking about Roman glass with all of its imperfections. Even though it's glass and you can see through it a little bit, you can't see through it clearly. Paul says we see through a glass darkly, but then when we see Jesus face to face, we'll know everything. You know, God's called me to teach the Bible, but nobody knows everything. I sure don't. You don't. I don't know anybody that knows everything. At the very best, there are some things that we still see through a glass darkly. With the help of the Holy Spirit, we're doing our best to see more clearly. But when Jesus shows up for us, suddenly all the imperfections, all the darkness will be removed, and we'll see clearly just when we look into His face. And that's why I have Roman glass on the TV set.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.